Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus guys. And if you need to remove or replace rear door guys, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. We'll demonstrate on the rear right side, but the rear left will be exactly the same way. Quick introduction guys, every car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you want to save even more money on car parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our parts from. So let's go ahead and explain what needs to be done now guys. I would recommend, to always have your car battery disconnected when you remove guys or replace car doors. Why? Because often guys, on this Ford Focus particularly, we don't have any airbags in the door, but sometimes you have side impact sensors, you have side airbags, so I would recommend to disconnect your car battery. Plus you have big electrical connectors that you need to disconnect for the door guys, and if you don't disconnect the car battery, sometimes you can cause damage to your electrical connections. You can burn a module, something like that. So let's explain what you guys need to do in order to remove or replace rear door on your car. Pretty simple guys. On that Ford Focus, it should cover, as I said, 2012 to year 2019. First, we're going to open the front door, and I'll get 2 screwdrivers guys. 2 screwdrivers, and here we have a seal. That seal is where your wiring harness will be. Like a rubber cover here. So with 2 screwdrivers, you can see you have 2 slots, one on the bottom, one on top. You need to push in, it goes in, and then you pry it out. Both of them at the same time. Bottom one came out, now working on the top one. Check it out, it got loose. Now it's ready on this side. What do we need to do on the other side guys? Pretty simple. We need to come right here, and we just have one more down there, just one more, and this one is a little bit towards the middle. Press, and the wiring harness is loose. You can see how when you press it releases. Now we need to get a Torx 40. Let me show you. Start looking bit, and we need to remove the mechanism guys that keeps actually your door open, and it stays open. Otherwise, when you leave the door open, it will close on its own. So that mechanism is the one that actually keeps the door open. Remove that bolt. Just one simple bolt guys. Sometimes those will have thread locker. Now careful not to scratch your door. I'll have to just keep the door open a little bit. Perfect. Now what we should have done guys, probably we should have done that last, to be honest with you, because now we have to be careful not to scratch our frame there, and we will if we do that. I'm trying to see, but no, it's going to scratch it. So what we'll actually need to do guys, probably we'll need to do that thing last, maybe. So let me see if it's going to go in now. Perfect. Otherwise I'll recommend to do it last, because you can scratch your peeler here on the other side. So 10mm guys socket, and we're going to remove 2 bolts. Now we have to have a person holding the door. I have the door closed all the way, I just closed it, but have one person hold the door really good, because the door may fall guys. One bolt on top right there, so we're removing that one now. Once you remove the 2 bolts, things get really easy, and we'll explain why. Perfect. Now we're removing the bottom bolt. Now you will open the door guys, and when you open it, you gently lift it at the same time. When you open it, grab the handle, grab it on this side, and you're going to lift it until it comes out of the hinges. And don't lift too much, don't drop it too much. I recommend to have a wood block or something, somebody holding the door, because what could happen guys, what could happen actually is the door may fall and you will damage your wiring harness. So we'll have one person, right here now, one person that is going to grab the door, lift it up now, Okay, it came out. Now I'm going to pull the wiring harness out and we're going to disconnect it. How we do that? Okay. Right here, you press in the middle. You disconnect one. Now the second one over there. Press it, disconnect it, guys. You can see that's where you press here. And your whole door assembly, guys, okay, comes out of the car. Okay, you can see just like that. So not too complicated, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.